No, this is David Vasquez. This is my 7-day review with this company. I have 2 licenses. I have the bronze license and I have the silver license. The silver costs you 1,250 mostly, and the result is 2,500 around 10 months. I had the bronze is $500, 125. After around 10 months, you wanna get this. I have right now 36.75 to withdraw. I already withdraw 2 times, 26 plus 66, something like that. In 1 week I got the money. And 64, you see, 30, 34. Okay. The company showed you all what they do over here. This is my 2 withdrawal this week. When you buy the silver, you get a free rope. This one. I already got it. Yesterday I did this one. I use finance. I put 320. Then the robot did 23. Yeah. But I'm waiting to see that. My network has nobody. You can see, because I'm not a networker. Just what I did is invest my money to work for me. Okay, if you're a networker, you make a lot of money here. They give you affiliate links here. You can use to the left and to the right leg. And documents, they have everything here. The presentation for people who wanna do a network marketing. And these are the documents for the company. What else can I show you? Maybe. This is all the event that I got. That's event. Let me see what we got here. I love this company. I like it. But you have to do your own research. You have to, invest your money that you don't need. I'm no financial advisor. I do my own research and put my money to work, because I don't do anything else. Network marketing, I know it's not easy for me. The roadmap, they just open up the hacer core. So, this is for a new company. You have to take the chance. You have to, you have to make a decision. You have to see if this is for you, because I've been in different companies, but they want all those people show his face, the CEO, everybody. Let me play some a little bit video. You can get a car, you get your license, corporate license. This is the video. Then go back. Yeah. So I have 1 week. I like it. And what I told you before, I didn't take out this. I did 2 withdraw. I told you 160, 110, just to test it. And for this week I got 64, 34 for 500, and 1,000 for the seller. So think about it. Okay, and thank you for watching. I will continue putting my review every week, and I hope you like this video, and if you give me a like or comment, I will appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good night.